Unboxing idioms. The sly sense of like a fox. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of the English language for you. Today, we're diving into the cunning world of idioms and expressions. Our focus will be on the phrase, like a fox. Stick around to find out just how sly this little phrase can be and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Let's unravel the mystery of the phrase, like a fox. At first glance, it's just three simple words, but together, they pack a punch. To say someone is like a fox is to compare them to a fox, an animal known for being clever, crafty, and a little bit sneaky. When you use this idiom, you're saying that someone has those same qualities. They're smart, they're strategic, and they might just outwit you if you're not careful. To understand why we say, like a fox, it helps to look at how foxes are portrayed in stories and culture. For centuries, in fables and folktales around the world, the fox has been a symbol of cunning and intelligence. Think of the fox outsmarting other animals in Aesop's fables or being the clever trickster in Native American stories. This cultural background colors the phrase, giving it a rich layer of meaning. Now, let's get practical. How do you use like a fox in everyday English? It's quite versatile. You can use it to complement someone's smart strategy, like, he negotiated that deal like a fox, or to describe someone's sly behavior, such as, she slipped out of the party like a fox. It's important to note that this phrase often carries a positive connotation, admiring someone's cleverness rather than calling them out for being deceitful. Interestingly, you might come across variations of this phrase that add a little extra flavor. For example, someone might say, sly as a fox, or smart as a fox. These mean essentially the same thing and are used interchangeably. However, like a fox is the classic version, and it's the one you're most likely to encounter in literature or in an English-speaking country. And there you have it, the phrase, like a fox, unwrapped and ready for you to use. It's a small addition to your English vocabulary, but remember, just like the fox, its impact can be much greater than its size. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom, and we can't wait to hear how you'll use, like a fox, in your conversations. Don't forget to practice, stay clever, and see you in the next video.